Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to download DOSBOX Emulator and Notepad++ and how to arrange the settings for assembling and debugging. First step, we'll start download DOSBOX. We go to downloads, download now. Second step is to download Notepad++. We go to downloads, the last release. My operating system is 64-bit OS. I go to installer. And the last thing is assembly folder. First thing is to do is to install DOSBOX. Next, install. Install Notepad++. After finishing this, we'll extract assembly folder to local disk C. I will say local disk C. Yes. If I look at local disk C now, I have assembly folder which contains these applications: debug, edit, and binaries, masm. So now if I run DOSBOX software, this screen will open for me. So I have to mount assembly folder in local disk C, this folder. So what I have to do is to say mount C folder assembly, and then I have to say C, local drive C. Now I am in directory assembly, in folder assembly. If I say dir, I will see the applications. So every time if I run the program, I have to do these steps. Mount again. I will make this permanent. I should go to the DOSBOX options. And write these commands in buttons. I will say mount C assembly C, then clear screen. So these three commands will execute during DOSBOX startup. We will go to save. And now if I run DOSBOX application, it will auto mount assembly folder. If I check files dir, I will see all of these files. We finished settings and applications. If I check Notepad++, this is the editor that I am gonna work on it. Each time if I do a programming inside it, I should use assembly language. Then I have to save this file, assembly file, in local disk C.